Most people are confused about CAV and VAV. CAV systems and VAV. CAV systems are constant air volumes, which means they deliver the same amount of flow to all zones despite the demand requirement. Whereas VAV, which is variable air volume, they adjust the flow based on the demand. So that's the difference between two. CAV, when it comes to energy use, it is high because fan runs at constant speeds. In case of VAV, the energy usage is lower because fan adjusts the speed based on the demand. Hence, the energy consumption is less. What are the pros and cons of CAV? For CAV, it's simple design, lower initial cost, and easy to install. What are the cons of CAV? Higher energy uses, poor comfort control, and no flexibility in varying load. When it comes to VAV, pros are energy efficiency, better comfort, flexible for varying loads, lower operating cost. And the cons are higher initial cost, more complex design, and it requires careful setup and maintenance. The bottom line is CAV systems are more simpler and cheaper amount, but VAV systems save energy and they provide a better comfort in a long run. So you hope you got it. Thank you so much.